Department has filed suit against Arizona for the recently imposed state law regarding illegal immigrants. Do you support the U.S. government's suit?
Absolutely not. Rather than the federal government suing the state of Arizona, I'd rather see the federal government enforcing our immigration laws. Think about it. We have sanctuary cities all over the country, cities that say that they are not going to cooperate with federal authorities on the enforcement of immigration laws, yet this Justice Department under President Obama says nothing. So you have a state like Arizona say, well, we're a border state, we have 500,000 illegal immigrants in our state, the federal government is not protecting our border, illegal immigrants are gaining access to social entitlement, welfare, housing benefits, illegal immigrants are crowding our healthcare facilities, illegal immigrants are competing illegally against Americans for jobs. Help us, federal government. The federal government does nothing. So Arizona steps up to the plate and says, we need to do something to protect our own citizens. And what does this administration do? They say, well, we're going to sue you, Arizona, for infringing on our exclusive right to enforce the immigration policy. That makes no sense to me. The next member of Congress from this district and the next Congress itself needs to do something on the problem of illegal immigration. 2 more years have gone by, and the policy of the federal government on immigration is, we have no policy on immigration. The next Congress needs to get it right. We need to secure the borders, really secure the borders. More border guard agents, the use of National Guard troops who have the rules of engagement to stop illegal crossings. That's a public safety issue, it's an economic issue, etc. Then we need to make sure employers never take advantage of illegal immigrants. Thirdly, we need to do something that I've been trying to do at the state level with the Perry Amendment, is to make sure illegal immigrants never get access and are never in the same line as American citizens for social welfare benefits. Fourthly, when an illegal immigrant comes into contact with law enforcement, they're arrested, they're convicted, there needs to be a swift deportation process. We can't allow proven criminals who have had their due process to get back into society. They need to go into the justice system, certainly, but after that they need to go through a deportation process. And fifthly, and equally important, is we need to fix our immigration system. We need to allow people who want to come here to work legally, and that's a big issue on the Cape, with the HB2 visas. We need to increase the number of people who can work here legally. People want to follow the rules, but this administration has got it wrong. The previous administration has got it wrong. The next Congress needs to do better.
Joe Vaness, same question.